We came to see your babies. There's Snow White and Penelope. Hi, Penelope. Oh, look at that.
Calm, you're soothing.
Hi, Maverick. Say something to the movie.
The goat?
Hilda, what do you say to the movie?
Yeah, right, Dad.
Ha!
Penelope will say something.
It's a baby goat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, a baby goat. What do you think, Mavs? You like goats? You like them?
The family's here. Oops. Almost a downer.
What up, Habes?
No, you're not gonna go inside the cage.
Harold! You have 11 seconds to be in the movie. Say something clever. Super clever. Hi. Hi, baby goats. Oh my goodness, look at those baby goats. That's a minute. That's a minute. People get bored after a minute. I'll probably just have to. There's Mary, my favorite goat, my favorite little girl. Hilda, say something to the movie. Okay, out here.